When, now, Senator, you're here at Google, and I like to think of the presidency as a job interview. Now, it's hard to get a job as president.
Right.
And I mean, you're going through the rigors now. It's also hard to get a job at Google.
Right.
We have questions, and we ask our candidates questions. And this one is from Larry Schwimmer.
Okay.
What, you guys think I'm kidding? It's right here. What is the most efficient way to sort 1,000,000 32-bit integers?
It may seem hypothetical, but yes, Google does ask these types of questions, as you just saw in interviews. And in this section, we're going to go over the top 3 sorting algorithms you'll need to know for your interview if you ever want to interview with someone like a Google. Here we're going to cover the bubble sort, the merge sort, and the granddaddy of them all, the quicksort. But let's jump into the simplest one of them all. First, the bubble sort. Bubble sort is kind of a neat sorting algorithm because what it does is it really finds the highest number in the array through several passes, and it keeps bubbling it up. Take a look at this example. Here I've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is not sorted. This is in the exact opposite order we want. I actually want that 5 on the right-hand side. And let's just apply the bubble sort algorithm and see how that works here. What we do is we start at the very bottom of our group with that 5 and the 4. What we're going to do is we're going to start with a 5 and the 4, and we're going to comparatively compare the 5 with each number and kind of bubble it up. So first we'll compare 5 with 4. 5 is greater than 4, so we'll swap. Then we'll compare 5 with 3. 5 is greater than 3, then we'll swap. Then we'll compare 5 with 2. 5 is greater than 2, then we'll swap. And finally, we get to the very end. 5 is greater than 1, so we will swap. And then we lock in that 5 at the very end. And that is one pass through the bubble sort. Now, we've effectively locked in, or we're guaranteed to have the highest number on the right-hand side here. Now we just repeat the process with the remaining numbers. So now we've got 4, 3, 2, 1, and we start again. We go 4 compared to 3, it's bigger, swap. 4 compared to 2, it's bigger, swap. 4 compared to 1, it's bigger, swap, and we lock in the 4. So now we've got the 4 and the 5, and we just repeat this process again. We're left with 3, 2, 1, and we just repeat. 3 to 2, swap, 3 to 1, swap. Now we've locked in the 3. Then we're left with 2 and 1, 2 to 1, swap, and then we finally have our sorted array. So that's bubble sort. It's just progressively taking the highest number it can find in the array, bubbling it up to the top, and locking it in. Next, let's see what it looks like in code.